Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our stunning 2018 Mercedes E220 AMG line premium. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 191 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 53 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 40 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 26,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the polar white and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the Mercedes, everything feels nice and solid and high quality. And also being the premium, this car comes with the half leather and suede seats. The front seats are also electric, heated, and you've also got the air neck scarves there as well. So the warm air blows through the air vent there in the centre onto your back of your neck on a winter's morning, so that'd be really nice. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. This car also comes with cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card you have your functions there for the air neck scarf that I've already mentioned, the heated front seats and the memory settings for the individual driver as well. And just below that you've also got the folding mirror and full window controls. For a cabriolet, you have two individual seats there in the back. Two rear passengers can sit comfortably on a long journey. There's a good amount of legroom and headroom. And there's a couple of cup holders in the centre as well. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.